Hello everybody, it's March 12th, 2022. I wanted to do a video here for the public, just looking at the macro viewpoint on Bitcoin and exactly where we are right now and what I expect for the remainder of 2022 and potentially into 2023. So I'm going to go over to the Bitcoin chart here and just show you what I'm looking at so that we can come back to this video as often as necessary if you forget where we are. So off of the December 2018 lows back here, we had a semi-decent first wave up, and then we had the ABC down, culminating with that COVID crash right there for that second wave. So we've got 1 and 2 in place, and we should be working on this wave 3 right now. There is a possibility that the third wave ended right here, although I don't believe that to be the case. I am kind of considering it as an option if we come, let me just go over this real quick, if we come down to touch this channel, right? So if we break kind of below these lows fairly significantly and touch this channel, it's going to get a little tricky because, we could just go sideways and that channel could touch there. But if we break down below 25K and touch the channel while doing so, it then becomes likely that we already have 1, 2, 3 in place. This is all part of 4, and we're just going to get one more move up for blue 5 instead. So this is my alternate scenario, right? So blue 5 belongs up here, but if we break 25K but hold the bottom of that channel, I'm going to be looking for blue 5 to end over here, and that just kind of changes the long-term picture a bit. But for now, let's ignore that because my primary scenario is that we have another wave up within blue 3. And I just want to focus on that. All right, so what we can do here, we've got off of this COVID low here, moving up to 3. We're trying to count the waves within this, and this is why I think we're not really done yet, because we had 1, 2, 3 right here. We're probably working on 4 right now and a 5th wave up. And so we can draw a fib backwards here, like so. And you can see ideal region for this to hold a 4th wave is right here between the 786 and the 618, just like that. And you can see we're holding that as we speak, right? So there's our 4th wave. And this, if you go back to my video on October the 15th, all the way back here, I did a video as we were proceeding to these highs saying, hey guys, this doesn't look good. It's very possible that we come down and revisit 30Ks. So make sure you go back and check out that video there, October 15th, where I did lay out this as a possibility. At the time, it wasn't the highest probability, but it was possible. And so I did, want to warn everybody back then that this was a possibility, what we're seeing right now. So you can also see on this fib exactly why I think 25K is kind of the key to determining whether or not we are going to go up here for to complete this third, or if the third's already done back here. Because once you are looking for a 4th wave, you do not want to see that 4th wave go below the 0.5 fib, which is at 25,281. So that is why that's the line in the sand for me to determine which scenario we're in. But in any case, I do believe we are going up higher for the rest of 2022 after we come down. I think we do have a little bit more to come down here, but after we come down and finish our bottom in 4, we should have significantly higher to go for either orange wave 5 or potentially blue wave 5, depending on where we are and how low we break. And it is going to come down to the wire, because this micro projection, if you've been following my videos, does project downwards potentially as low as 25 to 27K. So it is going to kind of come down to the wire there. But in any case, I think we, like I said, have significantly higher to go here. And let me just leave this line on right here. There's the line there. All right. And so we should be proceeding upwards to a target of between 100 and 130K is the standard target. Now that being said, Bitcoin really loves to extend fifth waves. I mean, it likes to go well beyond what the normal target would be. This one actually didn't go too far beyond. It went just a little bit beyond. But regardless, we could see a blow off top that exceeds that. And I think that's fairly likely for the end of the bull market, to see a blow off top, and then we come down for this wave 4 again. And we'll probably come right back down to where we are right now. So we can see, 130, 150K, something like that, and then still drop back down to the 30Ks after that. Now from there, it is a possibility that we get another bull run after that, a gigantic bull run that could go up near $1 million, which I am, that's the projection. I'm not saying that's guaranteed. And a lot can happen that would prove that to be incorrect, of course. But those sort of projections will change as price action continues to develop. But in any case, I am looking up here, like I said, for the rest of 2022, 2023, and that is really what matters for the short term, for the moment, for all of us. So certainly any dips, further dips that we get, I'm going to be looking to accumulate on because I view us as getting to 100K or higher as being pretty likely. But make sure you continue to take a look at my videos that I do every Monday and Friday for the public. And if you take a look at the suggested video here, this is my latest video for the public that is going over whatever price action is happening right now. And please make sure you click the subscribe button as well. You can do that right here. I've got a nice little subscribe button for you there, or underneath the video. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the updates, and we'll keep tracking where Bitcoin is going and how it's progressing on the trip to 100K plus. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you all later.